BH2 SX. It's been in for a full ECU remap. It was running just really rough before, didn't really make the horsepower that these are supposed to make, so we've done a full ECU remap, got some fantastic numbers, so we're going to do the final run now and then we'll talk you through everything that we've achieved. Right, so when we started mapping this morning, we had a figure of 177, which is the blue line, just running far too lean, just as it came from the Kawasaki factory. So now, with a full ECU remap, we have got 211.5 brake horsepower, so it's a massive gain of 33 horsepower, and it is more or less all the way through the mid-range on top end as well. As you can see there, it starts gaining from about 4,500 revs, so that's just purely down to fueling and ignition. So
34 horsepower extra.
34, yeah. So yeah, massive difference. Just accelerates so much harder now, a lot smoother on throttle, and just accelerates, and it's so hard right up to that rev limiter now. So
why is it so rubbish from the factory?
It's just they're really restricted in the ignition maps, which I don't know why they do them like that. So yeah, we've like sort of advanced that ignition to get that power, and obviously match the fueling up with that. We've taken off his lambda sensor and his exhaust valve as well, turned the top speed limiter off, and it's given us that amazing result of that. So yeah, if you want yours in, please give us a call.